Hello and welcome to our online English lecture. Students, in our previous lecture, we have already learnt about the new syllabus and the contents of our new textbook. Now let's start with our section 3, topic 1, that is summary writing. So what do you mean by a summary? A summary is a record in the reader's own words that gives the main points of a piece, such as newspaper article, a lecture, a passage, a chapter, or even a whole book. This simply means it is a short version of a passage written in one's own words. It covers essential points of the original passage. Here a large chunk of information is written in short cohesive sentences. Let's see some do's of summary writing. First one is read and reread the passage. Next one is understand. That means understand the passage. Next one is read the instructions given in the question. Find exactly what you need to summarize. The next one is identify the main idea through the process of asking questions. This means you have to find out the main idea or the central idea of the original passage by the way of asking the questions. Questions like why you have been assigned the text and what type of text you are dealing with. Next point is form short sentences on your own, which means try to write the summary in your own words. Next point is connect the sentences using linkers. Linkers means the words such as and, but, so, whereas, although, etc. Next point is remove redundant words and sentences from the key sentences, which means try to remove unneeded or unnecessary words and sentences from the main sentences. Next point is omit details, which means you have to write the summary in brief. Next point is avoid your own interpretation, which means you have to avoid your own explanations. Now let's have a look towards the steps for writing a summary. Step 1 is read the article twice. Step 2, the purpose of writing. As I said previously, ask questions about the purpose of writing. Step 3 is identify the main idea. Step 4, write the first draft. Draft means your piece of writing. Step 5 is revise your first draft and edit it. Editing means to make suitable changes if you want. Step 6 is write the final draft. That means your summary. One more point to remember is give your summary a suitable title. Now have a look towards this passage. Here we can see that the main topic of the passage is democracy. So in order to write the summary, we have to find out some keywords or main idea or theme of the passage. We can also try to ask questions for the purpose of the writing of the summary, like for example, what are the 3 things to do in democracy, and also what is political and social democracy, etc. Now we will see what type of question is given for summary writings. Have a look here. Write a brief summary of the above extract with the help of the points given below and suggest a suitable title. The points are democracy, 3 things to do, liberty, equality and fraternity, hero worship, degradation and dictatorship, political and social democracy. As you can see here students, this question carries 3 marks. 1 mark for the title, 1 mark for covering the essential points, and 1 mark for language, style and grammar. One more point you have to remember is there is no specific length of a summary. It must only be brief and should present the essential points. Hope you all have understood the topic. Thank you.